What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another travel vlog. My name is Martin Solhaugen. If you're new to this channel, I do travel vlogs across the world. Definitely want to check that out. Right now we are in Naxos and we're on a trip with Apollo. And I said, hello Bea! Hello! Bea works in Apollo. Kim is my friend. We have a brand that's named Travel Boys. Go check it out, link in the description. In this vlog we will show you some tips and tricks of what Naxos in Greece is like. So come along. So right by our hotel is this beach bar with water sport activities. Very, very nice. Look how beautiful it is. And we're gonna eat lunch here right now. And we are in Naxos now in June, so there's not so much tourists here as you could experience in July. I'm sure it's beautiful, but that's just the tips for you if you can. Take an early summer vacation. Okay, we're currently here at Plaka Beach. We've discovered this bike rental slash car rental and ATV rental place. You can rent a small four-wheeler for 35 euros per day or a larger one for 65 euros a day. So now we're gonna take two four-wheelers and we're gonna explore a little bit of Naxos, hopefully see some cool places. We made it to Alico. Our four-wheelers are still surviving, and in Alico it's a rundown hotel that never finished, and you can basically just take your four-wheeler and run through there, go rallying. It's super fun. We really enjoyed that. This place is really big, so you can spend hours looking at artifacts, like art pieces. You can go to two different beaches on each side, or just chill and have fun with friends, take photos. Really recommend checking this place out if you make it to Naxos. To be cliff diving spots here. We're checking it out and hopefully we can send it. This is one of the craziest things that me and Kim do. We really love to cliff dive and hopefully we can send it for you guys. So I think by experience, I think that we're looking at 18 meters, 14 meters, and between 10 and 8 meters. So we're probably gonna just send it from the 8 to 10 meter. That's huge enough for us. What we have to do now is we have to swim out there and depth check it and make sure that it's deep enough to so that we don't hit bottom. And it seems that it's also sandy bottom out there, which is really good. And good morning, you guys. Second day here in Naxos, the last island on the trip. Yesterday was a blast. Everything we did that you saw in this vlog was just amazing. And you know, in between everything, I am editing footage to push out on the social media channels. Right now I'm gonna try to stitch together 4 drone shots which I took of one of the beaches here. All this content is going live on my YouTube, on my Instagram, on Apollo's Instagram and their channels, and articles and everything is gonna be written from this trip. So make sure to check out Apollo's channels as well if you really want to come and visit this place. If you want to dive more in depth than what this vlog can offer you. This is the old town of Naxos. When you arrive with the boat, you arrive right here. Old town, cliff diving where we cliff dived yesterday. And if you have a rental car, there's a lot of spots on this pier. Right now there's like 7 spots available and it's noon, so it shouldn't be any problem for you to get that. Today we decided to just explore the larger old city and then relax for the day because it's our last day here. And we made it to the beach, Plaka Beach. We came across this nice place on Instagram that's called Tortuga. It's a beach bar. So they have beds over here right by the ocean. And a very nice beach bar here. So we're here to check it out. Hopefully it's good. So calm. And there's a waiter going around taking orders. That way you can pick up a beer real quick. You can take the seats out or just enjoy one of these. What a day. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Tomorrow I'm heading back to Norway, so this is gonna be the last little, you know, review from Naxos. Epic island, definitely worth visiting. If you're coming to Greece, I would put this on the list. The past week I've been exploring Santorini, Naxos and Paros. All islands have something magical to do, but I promise you Naxos so far, it's been amazing. Like the cliff diving, everything is just here. You don't, like, we haven't explored 1/20th of this island even, and we've done so much stuff here, so it's definitely a cool island to go to. You should go. Alright, if you like this vlog, remember to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below if you thought it was good and if it helped you in any way. If you're going on vacation here, I'd love to know it. Check out my Instagram, and I'll see you on my next travel vlog from somewhere else in the world. Alright, goodbye.